Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to take some input from the user, and I will take the input of their height in centimeter, and I will turn that into feet. So if I go to my Chrome, here you can see 1 foot equal to 30.48 centimeter. So I'm gonna multiply that by I'm gonna divide that by 30.48, then I will get the foot. So suppose I want 6 foot. So in order to get 6 foot, I need to input 182.88 centimeter. So let's go no, this is not so this is the place, and first let's type input, not input, and let's type uh, your height in centimeter. So that sounds about right, and let's store this in height, height centimeter equal to this. So I will get some sort of height, then I want to convert this into an integer value. So but before that, let's write the code. So the code for height in feet will be equal to height in centimeter divided by where's the divide, divided by 30.48. Yeah, that's right. And for getting 6 feet, I need 182.88. Okay. So let's type here print height feet. But before that, I have to make this an integer. So let's keep this in integer. So this looks good. And if I run this now, this is asking me for my height in centimeter. So I'm gonna say 182.88, and if I hit enter, this is giving me an error. So integer, so let's make this float, and let's run this again. 182.88. now you can see I got 6.0. so my height is 6.0, and I'm a tall guy, come on. So that's pretty much it. And if you want this to be an integer value, you have to give an integer value as well. Suppose you have kept here int, and you run this program, and here you can't pass 182.88, you have to pass 182. Then if I hit enter, then you can see that my height just got reduced. I don't want that, I want it to be 6 feet. So I'm gonna keep this float, and let's run it once again, and let's give it 182.88. so yeah, I'm back 6 foot again. So yeah, so that's how you can make a cool height generator, where people can actually give their height in centimeter or some other metrics, and get their desired result in whatever they want. So yeah, that's it. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.